Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to fix AirDrop not working on iPhones. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. First, make sure is that your Wi-Fi is turned on. You can turn this one on and off. After you have turned on your Wi-Fi, you have to go back and then this time you need to go and look for the Bluetooth section or option here. Tap on Bluetooth. Now, this is the first method. You have to make sure that both devices must have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. So once you have turned on your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, the next thing to do here to make sure is that your AirDrop is working is to just go to your settings. This time you have to scroll down and then look for screen time. Enable this one. Now on your screen time, you have to scroll down and then click this content and privacy restrictions. Click this one. Now you have to turn on content and privacy restriction. Scroll down here and then you have to tap on allow application. Make sure that the AirDrop here has been turned on. So once you have turned on your AirDrop, you're gonna go back and see if this method work. If not, go to General, tap on AirDrop, and make sure that you have set this to everyone for 10 minutes, and then see if this method worked. Now again, if this method didn't work, then the next thing you should do here is again, go to your settings, and then this time you have to look for General, tap on General here. So what you're going to do here is you have to look for transfer or reset. So on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset and then reset network settings. This will reset Wi-Fi password, VPNs, and etc. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.